Can you guess what's what? The first one is cocoa. The second color is boba. So as you can see, cocoa is a little bit warmer while boba is a little bit on the colder side of brown. Then we're going to be focusing on annatto clay, which is a very warm toned brown. This color, it doesn't look like a brown. It's called Mocha Java. So in the bottle, it looks very silvery, but this is actually really pretty brown. The next color we're going to be doing is haunted. Also kind of has like a silver finish, but I'd say out of these two, haunted is kind of more like a shimmer finish, where Mocha Java is more like a true metallic. And then the very last brown is Solis. This is a duochrome brown. So this specifically looks best over dark colors. And I would say that in general, all of these are one coat kind of polishes.